Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix camera filters not showing on iPhone in iOS 17. Let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly, you need to open the camera app on your iPhone or iPad. So when you open the camera app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. After swiping up, you will see many options at the bottom of your screen. You have to tap on this icon and all filters will appear on your screen. That's all you have to do and all your filters of your iPhone will appear on your screen. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.